Good morning. Today let's study 3 commands supported by QBasic, and the first one is line command. The line command is used to draw a line between 2 points. We can see there are 2 syntaxes supported by line command, and the first syntax is line x1 y1 hyphen x2 y2 comma c comma b, where the x1 y1 indicate the starting point of the line and x2 y2 indicate the ending point of the line. And after that we can see 2 more code. First one is C and second one is B. C means the color code. We have already studied that there are 16 colors supported by the QBasic. So for each color we can use the corresponding color code. And we can see one more code, that is B. B stands for box. It is used to draw an empty rectangle with the starting point and ending point. So we can use the code B. Otherwise, if we are omitting the code B, we can draw a simple line. If we are using the code B along with the syntax, we can draw a box. And in the second syntax, there is one more code which is BF. BF means filled box. It is used to draw a filled rectangle with starting point and ending point. So that is the first command. Next, we are going to discuss about the circle command. The circle command is used to draw a circle or an oval shape. We have to define the coordinates of the center, the radius of the circle and also the color. Here we can see this is the syntax of the circle command. First we have to mention circle, then in bracket x and y, after that R, C, SA and EA. So every code should be separated with comma, where x and y are the coordinates of the center of the circle, R stands for the radius of the circle, C for the color code. We have studied there are 16 colors supported by QBasic. So according to our wish, we can select the color code for each colors. And finally, the SA stands for starting angle and EA stands for ending angle. In this command, the SA and EA are optional. So while drawing a circle, we can omit that 2 codes. Our third command name is paint command. The paint command is used to fill an area with the specified color. The syntax of the paint command is paint in bracket x and y, after that C. X and y are the coordinates which tell the computer about from where to start the color fill. And C stands for the color code. We can mention the color for filling that particular shape. So these are the various commands that we have studied. Now let's check some examples of these commands. Now let's check some examples of line command. So before starting the command, first we should give CLS, where CLS stands for clear screen. And in the previous class we have studied there are 2 modes supported by QBasic, text mode and graphics mode. So we have to mention any of the screen command for the graphics mode. Here we have given screen 9. Now let's type the line command syntax. First we have to mention line in bracket x1 y1. So we can give the starting point and ending point. Okay, x1 y1 is the starting point that we have given in the first bracket. In the second bracket we have given the ending point. After that we have mentioned the color. Okay, so finally we should give end command. Okay, once more I will tell you. First we have to give the CLS command, then give the screen command for the graphics mode, then the command for line. Okay, now we are going to run our program. Now you can see the output screen and also the line. Okay, now we have drawn only the line. We didn't mention any command for drawing the box. Now you can see this is a simple line. The starting point and the ending point we have already mentioned in the line command. So according to that we can see the shape of the line. Okay, so we have studied we can use a code called B after the command color code. So I have just given the code B after the command. The same command I have used and just given the B after that. Now I am going to check how it will work. Okay, now we can see the output code and you can see there is a box because we have given the code B after the color code. So the B stands for box. Now we have drawn a box with a particular color which is mentioned in the color code. Okay, So this is how we can use the first syntax of the line command. We have already studied that there are two commands or two syntaxes supported by the line command. First one for drawing a simple line or for drawing a rectangle without filling the color, and second one for filling the color. So that also we have mentioned here BF. BF for filled box. So with the magenta color we have filled that particular shape. Okay. So this is how we can use the second syntax of the line command. So we can say that we can use two syntaxes for the line command. First one for the line and also the shape without filling the color, and second one for the rectangle with filled color. Okay. Now let's check how to draw circle with the circle command. For that, first we have to mention the CLS. After that, screen also we should mention. Okay, we are going to draw something on the QBasic screen. So we should mention the graphics mode with screen command. Then give the circle command, in bracket give the X and Y coordinates. Then give also the color command and radius. Okay, here we have given the color code 12. So in a light red color we are going to draw a circle. Okay, the radius also we have mentioned here, then only we can draw a perfect circle. So we should give the x-axis and y-axis, radius and also the color code for drawing a circle. Now in the output screen you can see a circle with light red color. Okay, so this is how we can draw a circle, and also it is possible to draw oval shape with the help of the circle command. Okay, here we didn't give the SA and EA commands. Okay, the starting point and the ending angle we didn't mention here. Suppose we need to color this circle, then after the circle command we can use the command called paint. So first type paint, then in X and Y coordinate place we should give the same X and Y coordinate of the circle command. Then after that we should mention the color code also. Then let's check how it will work. So after drawing the circle command we should mention the paint command for filling it with a particular color. Here we have filled the shape with the same light red color. Okay, so today we have studied about three commands supported by QBasic, which are line command, circle command and also paint command. Okay, so rest of the portion we can discuss in our next class. Thank you.